Does your Windows PC randomly wake up from sleep mode? It's frustrating, but don't worry, we've got the fix for you. Let's break down why this happens and, more importantly, how you can stop it for good. There are a few common reasons your PC might wake up by itself. Scheduled tasks, wake timers, and even sensitive devices like your mouse or keyboard. First, head over to your power options and turn off wake timers. This will stop Windows from waking up your PC for updates or tasks. Next, check your device settings in Device Manager. Make sure your mouse and keyboard can't wake up your computer unless you want them to. Finally, go into Task Scheduler and look for any task set to wake the PC. Uncheck that option and you're all set. With these quick fixes, your PC will stay asleep until you're ready to wake it up. If this video helped you, hit that like button and share it with your friends. For more quick tech tips, subscribe and stay tuned for more.